I'm Nichole, your camping chick at Worldwide RV in sunny and warm Mesa, Arizona. This is Penny, our camping dog. Today we're going to show you our 2022 29S Alante. Folks, this has so much to offer. It's comfortable, safe, and fun. Let's check it out. So the first thing you're going to see in the Alante is the giant 120-inch panoramic windshield. This is fantastic. Gives you great visibility and you won't miss any of the sights on here. The Alante 29S offers comfortable theater seating, a large dinette, and fantastic workspace. Along with the great workspace in the kitchen area, the Alante 29S offers a 12 cubic foot refrigerator that is electric or propane. Moving on, we've got a nice spacious bathroom, lots of storage, and a great big shower. So back here in the sleeping area, you have a walk-around queen-size bed, lots of drawer space, and closet space. Okay, folks, come check out the 29S 2022 Alante. See what more it has to offer. I'm Nichole, your camping chick, along with Penny, the camping dog, and we'd love to show you.